afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to Fish Farm. My name is Femi Peters. Today we're able to produce 210.7 kilogram of 6mm feed. Now, for those who are not conversant with this unit type of measurement, 210.7 kg simply means we produce 210 kilogram and extra of 700 grams, as 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. Therefore, 700 grams is 0.7 of a kilogram. Hence, the figure 210.7 kilogram. Usually, most branded feed bags sold here in Nigeria comes in 15 kg per bag. Therefore, I have been able to produce 14 bags of 15 kg of feed with excess feed of 500 grams. If you're watching for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button so you can get more updates from me. And kindly click on the like button to show more support for this video and for my channel. Thank you very much. One good thing about me producing my own feed, aside of saving costs, is I know exactly what goes into the feed in terms of feed ingredients and the percentage input, as well as having a near price stability when it comes to my monthly financial projection. It has also helped me in terms of cash flow. If you're wondering how this feed was produced, you can actually check some of my videos on how to make catfish food part 1 and 2. So far so good. I have had no regrets, and there has been positive changes with the fish growth here, and it's all looking good. And they've added more weight compared to when I used to buy all these imported feeds. Once the feeds are produced, as you can see here, the pelletized feeds are properly sun-dried for about 2 days, then backed up and stored. You can also dry them up in your fish oven and ensure they're properly dried before bagging them. One thing I have observed from this feed production is you're not likely to save costs. You're not likely to save money when you produce in smaller quantity. You're better off producing in a large quantity. That's when you save a lot of money and you feel the difference. The moment you start producing in larger quantities, let's say about 10 bags and above, you definitely see the difference. Anyone who's been into catfish farming business will surely attest to the fact that this business is capital intensive, and as such, as a business owner, aside of you being passionate in this regard, it is vital for one to be innovative in this global commodity price hike. Your prompt initiative in this business ensures you stay in the game. So, no need to panic. Once again, if you're new to my channel, kindly click on the notification bell so you can get more updates from me whenever I put up a post out there. Thank you. And don't forget to like my post if you like what you're watching. Your doing so will be much appreciated. Thank you for this also. And I do hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.